yourself comfortable. Today I'm cooking up a little piece of salmon, but even though it's simple, it doesn't have to be boring. And I'm going to show you how. So let's get going. Here are the seasonings I'm using today. I like to mix mine ahead of time so that the flavor settles in. I've got a little bit of Old Bay, some lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some herb flavored croutons that I use instead of breadcrumbs, some grapeseed oil, butter. Oh yeah, see all these nice things all put together, the seasonings? I'm telling you, this is simple. You're going to see as I'm doing it. Like I said, I use some herbed croutons and crushed them up because they had all of the, seasonings in them. But you can use regular breadcrumbs. Then I'm going to go ahead and put them on top of the salmon. First, I am taking some grapeseed oil and brushing it over the top of the salmon. Now you can use any type of oil that you want. I like to use grapeseed oil because it has a high burn, content. As you can see, this is what it looks like. But you can use avocado oil, olive oil, whatever oil that you like. Then I'm going to go ahead and top it off with the seasonings. Make sure you cover it as much as you can. There's not very much in here, but look at the salmon. It's little, so I don't think you have anything to worry about. But I'm just going to cover the top of the salmon and make sure that it's all in. Another thing, the oil helps to bind the toppings that are on there. And as you can see, this only takes what? A few seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it in my pan. And the next thing I put on there is some shredded Parmesan cheese. Love me some cheese. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love cheese. So it's probably about a handful. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a 400 degrees oven for about 5 minutes at first because I have to add another topping to the salmon. So next I'm going to go ahead and slice out my yellow squash. I eat this all summer long, I'm telling you. Summer squash is just so nice and oh, I just love it. This is probably enough for about two servings or so. But depending how hungry I am, I might eat them all up tonight. Anyway, you put them in a pan with some oil, and I put butter in there as well. And you want to basically saute them so that they're brown, not burnt, brown, lightly toasted. And you'll know when they're done because they'll become a little translucent and also soft. Now here is my salmon, and I'm going to, that I took out because I have to add a topping. And the topping is peaches. The topping of peaches. Just take your peaches and slice them, and you're going to lay them across the top of the salmon. The combination of the sweetness against the salmon's taste, oh my goodness. Then, to ante it up even further, I'm going to take a little bit, not too much, but a little bit of honey and drizzle it over the top. Are you getting hungry yet? I'm telling you, this is delicious. If you want to, you can put a little bit of brown sugar. If not, that's okay. And you can also add a little bit of lemon juice as well. I'm going to put it back into the oven because it had previously been cooking for a few minutes anyway. And now I'm going to leave it in there until the peaches are caramelized. Take it out when it's done, and this is how everything looks together. Wow. I know I'm hungry. What do you think? This looks absolutely delicious. And I can hardly wait till I finish this so I can eat it. I've chopped it off with a little bit of sage that I have in my container garden, just to make it all pretty. And I've already cut open some of the salmon so you could see how nice and juicy it is on the inside. Delicious. Well, thank you for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of the Sister Girl Act family. In the meantime, you take care. Oh, before I forget, also, don't forget to tune into my podcast, No Reinvention Needed, Just a Return, which is every Thursday on Spotify. The link is on Instagram at Sister Girl Cooks. All right now, see ya.